Welcome back, students. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the nationalists, those who started protesting and criticizing about the arbitrary use of authority by the Britishers, and we have read about that how the lawyers they opted for legal professions. They started practicing in colonial court and they demanded respect in colonial court. So they began to use law to defend the legal rights of Indians. So now the lawyers, what they were doing, they were using legal methods, legal procedures to defend the rights of Indians. Indian judges also began to play a greater role in making decisions. Now the Indians, those who were judges in colonial courts, they also begin to play a very important role in making the decision because they are the judges and the part of judiciary. So therefore, there were several ways in which Indian played a major role in evolution of rule of law during the colonial period. So that is why the Indians, the lawyers and judges especially, they played a very important role in the evolution of rule of law. Rule of law we have already discussed, when everybody is equal before the law during colonial periods. Now, with the adoption of the constitution, this document served as the foundation on which our representatives began making laws for the country. Now, constitution was adopted, and constitution is a document which served as a foundation for by using constitution, the representatives, those who were elected, the representatives, they making laws for the country. And every year our representatives, they pass several new laws, and as well as they revise the existing laws also. In your class 6th book, you read about the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Now, according to this new law, sons, daughters and their mother can get an equal share of family. So, in 2005, one act was introduced, that is Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, and according to this law, Hindu Succession Act, son as well as daughter and the mothers, they will get an equal share of the family property. Earlier, property is given to sons only, but now daughters and the mothers, they also get an equal share of property. Similarly, new laws have been enacted to control pollution and provide employment. So, in the constitution, new laws can be introduced by the representatives, as well as some changes can be done in the existing law. So how do people come to think and propose that new law is necessary? You will read more about this in the next session. How people they get to know what is the new law.